entered through the massive aqua blue opening, but now we're exiting through a cave. What's this? Ooh, fancy.
Isn't this the coolest thing?
Really?
I've never seen this. We just landed in El Nido and they gave us umbrellas.
Wonderful.
Aww.
What a great way to
Here.
welcome us. Ta-da!
The pickup area at this airport is a rock driveway. So don't expect much when you land here. So we just got to the port where we're going to take our private boat to, which island is it?
Cauayan? I don't know how to pronounce it yet.
Yeah, but we're super excited. I mean, we finally get to see the beauty of the Philippines. The limestone is just jetting up right around us. Look at this, straight up. And looks like that right there is our ride to paradise. What's up, guys? Welcome to paradise. I mean, this place is absolutely stunning. We are at the
Cauayan Resort in El Nido, Palawan. We're about 10-15 minute boat ride from the town of El Nido.
This is one of the few 5-star premier hotels in the Philippines, and you can see why with this view. Look at this there. And you know what? I think we should show you what it looks like from above. Let's just go. Here we go. Isn't this place so beautiful?
So we're taking an outrigger boat tomorrow, which is a traditional Philippines boat. And when you're in El Nido in Palawan, you're gonna want to take a boat tour. There's so many beaches. I mean, there's over 7,000 islands in the Philippines. So we're gonna go explore 4 of them tomorrow. Good morning, everyone from paradise. We're leaving our resort, which is Cauayan Resort, and we're about to go on an outrigger boat for the day to explore all the islands around El Nido, Palawan.
And it is muy caliente. It is
very hot. It's like
today.
90 degrees.
Look, we just walked out of our cabin and there it is.
Our cabin.
Our
Understatement.
tiki hut.
Let's check this out.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome to my humble abode for the day.
All right, so we are on the boat, and this is all ours. A little excessive, I think.
Maybe a bit.
But we decided to do the private tour just so we could kind of go at our own pace today. But we also decided to do the traditional boat, which is an outrigger boat versus just a normal speedboat.
You can do a speedboat anywhere. Outrigger boat, only in the Philippines.
This is going to be fun. So we just got to the first stop, and while we were the first ones here, very quickly we were surrounded by other boats. But this is the hidden beach. There's supposed to be a hidden beach right there.
It's hidden.
Let's go check it out. This place is amazing. Oh my God. This is crazy. What do you think?
I think it's beautiful. The water is so clear. Unfortunately, we're not the only ones that know about this beach.
I feel a bit like we're Normandy right now with the amount of people who are just crashing this beach. All right, so we are back in the beach, and look at this stunning beach. You can see why so many people would come here and check it out. We started our tour at 9 o'clock, and now I feel like we probably should have started it an hour early just to beat the rush, because it was like 4:05 rush hour walking into this place. But it's definitely worth a visit. This is This is idyllic. This is one of the most beautiful beaches probably in the world.
We entered through the massive aqua blue opening, but now we're exiting through a cave. What's this? Ooh, fancy.
Okay, I have to say the first stop was big success. Sacred Beach?
That was Hidden Beach.
Hidden
First stop was Hidden Beach. It was stunning. Took my breath away.
We pulled up and it just looked like rocks. I'm like, why are we even here? And then you snake your way in behind these things and it's kind of like this idyllic little wonderland. But now we're going to Sacred Beach. In typical Scott and Colette fashion, you can't have fun on the boat without a little
Rosé all day.
We're gonna be enjoying these islands the classiest way possible.
That's right. Stick with us, kids. We just arrived to our second stop of the day, which is Secret Beach. Not so much of a secret because all of these other boats know about it. But the way that you get in is this little tiny hole. Right there. So you snorkel in. And you're rewarded with a beautiful beach on the other side. This is one of the most stunning places in the world, by far. Woo!
All right guys, so I have to talk real quick about how I almost lost the drone. We were just getting ready to park and I thought, oh, I'll launch it up as we're coming in to get a little footage. And I was standing right here where I'm standing at the front of the boat. And you can see this little mast right there. Well, because we were moving forward as the drone took off, the boat came forward and the drone didn't take off as fast as normally. For some reason, it just was going up really slowly. So then I kind of panicked and I thought, what do I do? Because the boat's getting ready to run into the drone. The rope clips the drone, it gets caught on that tarp, starts to tumble down that tarp towards the ocean. Colette's screaming, I'm panicking. I rush out, hit my knee against something, and I catch it right before it falls in the ocean. So for those of you drone fanatics, be careful out there. Okay, I think they might have outdone themselves. Now it's time for lunch and take a look at what we've got here.
We got chicken, we got pork, we got fish, we got rice, salad, fruit. Amazing. I don't know how we're gonna eat all of it.
Yeah, we've got a whole smorgasbord of some of the Philippines' finest. And we're about to dive in. They grilled it right back there. And now we are gonna enjoy it in some of the bluest waters in the world.
Bon appetit.
So we are at almost our last spot. Colette is right there. It's called Helicopter Island. It's just like all the other tourist spots, crowded. We took a little walk and found a little secluded beach. So fortunately we were able to have some peace and quiet and a nice San Miguel light. No one is around us. It's just us. There's tourists on the other end of the beach.
You went too fast.
Rookie! First time drinking a beer. All right, so we are wrapping up our day on the boat, or on beaches, you could say. And we're wrapping it up in a pretty cool way. We found a natural pool on the beach. There's, well, let me just show you. Our boat's over there. There's the beach. That's the hot wife. And we're just chilling right
We had
here.
a super touristy day. Every single beach we went to had so many tourists. They were not secret. But this beach was our last beach. And it was our captain's favorite beach, probably because there's no one here. And the sand is impeccable.
It's not white, but it's what you would imagine as like a white sand beach. Powdery, soft, not a single rock.
It's delightful.
And we kind of found this tide pool, and it's like waist deep, and it's like a little bathtub. This tide pool is brought to you by San Miguel Light. Only 100 calories.
I was
No,
super
just kidding.
concerned.
Thank you.
Sir, welcome back.
All right.
That was amazing. Holy. Oh my gosh. I mean, everybody told us the way to see El Nido is by boat, and they were right.
Yeah, so that wraps up our trip around the islands. And I have to emphasize, if you're ever in the Philippines, you must rent a boat and go see all the beaches, because these are absolutely stunning. They're breathtaking. I just can't get over how beautiful they are.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. So today is our last day at Cauayan. We are waiting on our boat to take us to the airport, but just a few little notes about this place. Well, it is a romantic and fantastic and probably one of the most beautiful hotels we've ever been at. It's also very slow pace. So if you're coming here looking for a lot of activity, this is a place that's not really for you. I mean, they do have a few hikes, and they've got the boat trips, which we did, was amazing. They've got scuba diving, but really this is a place where everyone is just lounging around, reading their books, listening to podcasts, just R&R. So if you want to do a complete digital detox, no internet, all downtime, this is a place for you. If you want to meet lots of people, don't come here. But all in all, we really liked it. It was just probably a little bit slower pace than what we planned for. So a few more minutes and then our boat will be here and on our way. Bye-bye. So we have a small problem. Basically, the entire pier is crowded with boats. So I guess we're just gonna shove our way through to get to the dock. Service.
Sorry. Okay. Thank you.